I just came to my local nature preserve. There's 2 coyotes up on the dam. It's so cool. I found a pond here that somehow hasn't dried up yet. I can see a bunch of frogs sloshing around in here. Remember a ton hopping back there. Oh, there goes one. Yeah. Don't really know what they are yet, but let me see if I can get closer. So it turns out there's southern leopard frogs in here. There's one right there. Just flipped a log here and there's a green tree frog and 3 Gulf Coast toads. That's so weird. I didn't even know there were green tree frogs in this pond. That's probably the coolest one. Under this piece of bark, there are some little brown skunks and another green tree frog. So I guess this is where they go in the summer when all their ponds dry up. And it's way too dry out right now, so they're just hunkering down under these where there's still moisture. So under here, we got 2 more green tree frogs, one there and one there. I haven't flipped this one yet. I have a good feeling there's gonna be something good under here. Yep, there's another green tree frog. There's a yellow-bellied racer over here. I just saw it go under this log. Let me try to get it out. There's a yellow-bellied racer over there. Where is it? There it is. I'm gonna go get it. Let's go, I caught it. It was about to go in the water. But it's really warm. Today's another one of those cool days. So I'm glad to see this guy out. Relatively cool. It's like 80 something right now. But yeah, check out that bright yellow belly, the greenish, bluish back. It bit me like once on the thumb, but now it's pretty calm. Oh, I love these snakes. Hey, don't bite me. Hey, hey, oh my gosh. Ow, that's my finger. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures and then maybe get some more video, ouch. And then I'll release the snake, ouch. Racers are just such intelligent snakes. They'll focus on movement and oftentimes they'll try to strike at your face. This one did a couple times. Wow. It's all coiled up. It'll probably strike at the camera if I get too close. Wow, look at that defensive posture. Got it to calm down somewhat in this little burrow that an armadillo made. So maybe I can show some of its features better. Yeah, while it's posed nicely like this, I'm gonna get some photos and then just let it go. All right, I got a bit agitated again, so I got my pictures. I think it's time to release this beautiful snake. Put it over here where I found it. Don't bite me, I'm releasing you. All right, right here. Oh, okay, you bit yourself. It didn't shoot off. Usually racers will just race away. This one is still being a little defensive. It's kind of hooding up almost, raising up its head. Maybe it'll go in the water. That'd be pretty cool. Wow. Never seen a racer swim before. I guess it's probably just back to hunting right now. But for what, I don't know. Oh, it's drinking water. Wow. That's so cool. I guess that's probably why it was around this pond in the first place, because usually you find them in like open grasslands and prairies and that kind of thing. Wow, that's a lot of water it's drinking. I think it's sucking into this hole here. There it goes. Oh, wow. I'm on to the next trail. Hopefully I can rack up some more numbers and other species of snakes on this trail. There should be cottonmouths, ribbon snakes, broad-banded water snakes, that kind of thing here. Hopefully I'll get to see some of those. Like I said, there's cottonmouths here, and there's one right there. I think its head is buried in the mud. I'm gonna poke it to see if it's alive, and then I'll get some more video if it is. Well, it is indeed alive. Its head was right there. I guess it wasn't buried. Yeah, beautiful cottonmouth. Just in this really dry stream, but at least there's still water. Now it's doing the thing. It's doing the cottonmouth. They're called cottonmouths because when they're threatened, they'll open up their mouth and reveal a white interior, which is supposedly looks like cotton. Therefore, cottonmouth. You can sense my heat because they're also pit vipers like copperheads. No? Okay. Okay, well, it just moved a little bit. Yep. It's on the move now, even though it was doing that defensive display. Oh, hello. It's still trying to get away. I love when they do that. They're so goofy. Yeah, not being defensive at all right now. Never mind. It's still a little twitchy. But it's not trying to chase me or anything, unlike the popular myth. It's just doing its own thing, telling me to stay away, and I'm not going to go near it. So she's still gaping sometimes, and then sometimes tail rattling. There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to bother her too much because there might be a chance she's gravid. She's kind of thick over there. That's a weird pose. It like twisted its head the other way. That's completely upside down and doing the cottonmouth. I'm up on the bank now. It's still gaping. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. It still feels really good outside, so I'm hoping to see some other cool species. There's a broad-banded water snake over there. It just disappeared. Can barely see it in there. I don't think I'll be able to get it out. Hopefully we'll find another one. All right, turns out I could get it out. It was almost going in a hole there, but I just got it out before it went in. Yeah, this is the broad-banded water snake, Nordia fasciata confluens. One of the most gorgeous water snakes we have here. So typically these guys range along the Gulf Coast in like marshy areas on the coast. But here in North Texas, this is one of the few places where you can actually find them. And this is pretty much as far west as they go, northwest as they go. Yeah, really unique snake, and they're actually really common at this preserve, even though they're not common anywhere else in the surrounding areas. So they are a Nerodia species, meaning they bite a lot. As you can see right there, it got me. And they actually have anticoagulant in their saliva, so when they bite, you tend to bleed out a lot more. Although they are not venomous, so a bite from this is probably nothing to worry about. Even though it was biting a lot earlier, at this point it knows I'm not a threat, so it's calmed down a lot. But it keeps trying to head down the bank, which is where the stream is. So I'm just gonna go let it go in the stream. Right back where I found it. Oh, don't bite. I'm letting you go. Right back where you want it to go. So I guess all I need to do now is find a ribbon snake, and then I'll find all 3 snakes that I predicted I would find here. So I'll get to it. Well, I'm on my way out now. 3 snakes is really good for a day like this, especially that yellow-bellied racer. That was a really cool find. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.